Where's my mic? My mic is back. Well, hey, Monday. Man, I'm tired today. Shit. I am tired, man. Hello. 1 second. Let me go on my YouTube, actually. Like that. Good morning, everyone. Morning, Bit Me Some. Morning, Van. Morning, Vin. Morning, Moltras. Morning, Captain. Morning, Victory Settings. Geordie, let's go. Crowley, W. Morning, George. Morning, TJ. Tommy. Morning, Matt. Morning, Amos. Morning, Mr. Jandals. Yeah, my weekend was good, to be fair. I did some things in London. Yeah, it was interesting. Hello, Atamota. Just do it. What's up, Ali W. V10 Productions. What's up, Ragnar? Morning, Michael. Morning, Champ Gaming Zone. What's up, you Yankee? What's up? All right. Well, you guys caught. What's up, Peter, man? Obidio, yes sir. Vitali, what's good, man? Josh, let's go. All right. Aussie oi oi. Alright, yeah, so if you guys were on Yanez's stream, then congratulations. Then you caught your pips. And you got a dub, man, which was good because right now it looks like we're stuck in this range. So gold's just going to keep probably bouncing between here and here until something breaks it out properly. That's why my sells won't be just here, it'll be here, but we're still a proper breakdown. Now on how I got these zones. So basically, let me share my zoom annotations quick. Zoom annotations. Annotations. Jack, yeah, man. Good you didn't stay here for market open. The ranges looks dodge. The only entries you really can catch in this range is like those type of entries, right? So like the wick entry type things. You can't really get no closures here because it hasn't closed, you know. So that's what it is. It's going to be interesting to see how we unfold on gold. But let me just get these annotations out. This thing is so annoying. Cool. Yeah, alright, cool. There we go. Right, so let's look at the monthly. The monthly is bearish right now. Just deciding. It's a bit of indecision. Doesn't know where to go. So we'll see how it wants to play out. And it's got 11 days left on the monthly. On the weekly, you have it made a bottom wick and now it's pushing up. The thing is, this previous weekly candle also closed above this resistance, which means the next target could be up here with this resistance, so 2035.5. so we could probably be more bullish for the week than we are bearish. Daily candle. This previous daily candle closed respecting this support. So even though it was bearish, I would be looking for range 2 both ways because we haven't broke the lows and we also haven't broke any highs. 4 hour closed bullish. This one broke the previous high. So now we're more looking for buys. But obviously it's got to be range 2. Now this range is all formed on Monday. So it's this range from here, Monday. Let's see this Monday. So this is range 2. So let me remove these drawings quick, and you can see that this would be range 1 here, and this is range 2 here. So for the buys, you need to look for because I'm looking for range 2 both ways. For the buys, we can look for buys above here. Let me make it a bit better. So the buys, we can look for range above here. Let me get the block one out. Yeah. So buys, we can look for above here for buys. And then for sells, depends how it prints. It could be below. We could say this is maybe a range. So it could be, the sells could be below here. Could be in there for sells. and then there for sales. But in this middle grey area, we don't really want to trade too much because it's a bit chalked. Unless we see some sort of break of all the lows and we can come flip and get a wick entry type thing, we can potentially do that. But other than that, we're gonna have to wait for us to come out of this range for us to get a trade. So let's see if the volume can start kicking in and we can potentially get that trade right there. Like that is it. Good morning, the Abdullah. How you doing, Mr. OK face reveal? How can I join the Zoom session? Right, yeah, the Zoom session's it's private right now. It's just with some of the DVS guys, but I'll sort it out eventually. What I'm gonna do with the Zoom. Is it true Don retired? Yeah, because he wants to focus on like PAMs and investment portfolios and things. It's hard to do that while doing streaming. But he's still well. But he's still trading. He's not retired from trading, he's just retired from streaming. Mr. OK. Yeah, if we hit 1 million subscribers, Mr. OK will do a face reveal. News today, we got no news today, guys. Checked it earlier. Look at that, no news. Let's look at the rest of the week. Tuesday. Nothing amazing. Some JPY news. Not really gonna affect our sessions. Let's see, Wednesday. You got consumer confidence. Thursday. Unemployment claims. Friday. Okay, cool. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday will get the most volume this week. The other days, not really. This is the last week I'm gonna stream until the new year, probably. Let's see, when? 22nd. Yeah. So from 18th, I'll be streaming from 18th to the 22nd. And then from 25th to 29th, I will not be streaming. I'll still be trading, but I'm not gonna stream. And then we're back for the New Year's. Boom. Boom shakalaka. Yes, sir. Who's streaming a New York session? I think Wix is doing that. I'm pretty sure. But if Wix can't do it, then I think someone else will do it. New York session. Yeah, Wix is streaming it. I'm gonna call this group. Oh, where's my sound gone?
Yo.
What's up, mate?
What's up? What's up?
How are you back? You're back.
Back, mate. I've been awake since 1 o'clock this morning.
No way.
Wait, why am I on the camera? Get that off.
I thought you said it doesn't work, mate.
I'm like, hey.
Just press the
Yeah, you guys could do some over 18 stuff right there.
You're lucky.
Oh, mate. Jack, bro.
I show speed thing, we've done it for you on YouTube.
Yeah. I show meat.
Around any of that.
You're gonna do so I show meat.
Yeah. Christmas special.
That's crazy,
Yeah,
bro.
face reveal.
That's
Head
crazy.
reveal.
Damn, this volume's coming in. Fuck the gang. Where?
Oh wait, maybe we can watch a stream on a stream.
You passed phase 1 on Friday. Just started phase 2 today. Hey, good job, man. Good luck. Good luck for phase 2. Big stuff, man.
We're double streaming.
Whoa, what's this candle's flashing before my eyes? What's going on? What's going on here, mate?
Look, Mulli.
It's just look. This candle's going crazy. What's going on, mate? It's just one of those days, yeah.
You in this house?
What? Are you still in the
Yeah,
trade?
it's trade.
Nah, I didn't. I didn't get in it. I haven't sampled that myself yet. You know that stuff.
Mm.
Yeah. So. But if you break all these wicks to the left, these ones, you probably see a pop up. If you break this wick here, then you're probably gonna see it just shoot up, man. Which is good for you guys that are in a thingy. Falador Riot, no, we're not. Everyone get on RuneScape. It's my first funded, so it's only a 10k. That's fine. But I had 84% win rate. Yeah, that is good. I've been profitable on my personal for 2 months, but it's only a small account. Yeah, that's good, man. Just keep it up. Don't let, just because it's a new phase, don't let that affect the way that you trade. Trade the exact same that you did to pass phase 1. If you did it like without gambling, then yeah. Then you do the same thing phase 2, the same thing when you get the live, the same thing for the rest of your trading career. That's what you do. Morning, G. Mr. OK will replace Don.
Don't tell anyone.
Imagine that. Captain's gonna replace Don. Why's your mic so quiet, Captain?
He's talking from the other side of the room.
I made it, so with my mic away.
Oh. No one can replace Don. He's one of a kind. Yeah, he is. If you break that week, does it mean it has clean traffic to go up? Pretty much. I mean, it's got clean traffic up here. My zone is there because there's clean traffic above here, right? But the thing is, for me, I need a closure above to show that we're actually closing the candle. When your candle closes, it's printing the data. Now that becomes solidified in history of that data for that 30 minutes. Do you get it? When it's like now, the candle could be completely different in 14 minutes. It could come all the way down here and close all the way down there, right? So then that's how the candle printed. It all depends on how the candle... A candle is data, so I need to wait for the data to be solidified and print with a closure, and then I'll know. Alright, cool. Then I'll know. Alright. Clear, thank you. Data. How do you say data? Oh yeah, America say data. The database.
The data? The tomato data?
You go, alright guys, you know the data? Have you got connected to the data yet? Yanez goes, hey, hard.
Yanez goes, do you want the data? Fucking oath.
He goes, fucking oath, lad. Fucking oath, mate, lad. Kangaroo, lad, my oath. Why do you call Yanez Yanez? Because it's actually Yanez. You guys call him Yanez, but it's actually pronounced Yanez.
The man with the most weird sounding name ever has actually said that.
Yeah. Salam Sicario. What's good, host? Hope you had a good weekend. Yeah, I did, mate. It's a bit cold, but it's all good. Hope you had a good one too. Jack had a good one.
Yeah?
Didn't you, mate?
Yeah, of course. Thank you.
He was doing Bear Grylls.
I was actually. Nearly wore my legs right off.
My name's Jack.
You got 3 francs like SG now, Jake.
What do you mean now? He left me.
You taught him how to get 3 francs.
Yeah. My legs is waste.
Bear Grylls, as in like the guy who goes into like the wilderness and starts living there. Not Bear Grylls, as in like he's got bear grills on his teeth.
Yeah, I have got that as well when I go around London.
I told you when you break this wick, you're gonna pop up. Look at this.
Whoa.
Jesus.
Yeah, that was gonna happen, man.
Crikey.
Crikey. Looking for a continuation if 5 minute close above? I don't do 5 minutes. I'll do 30 minutes and 1 hour entries. And 4 hour. And sometimes 15. But I'll just wait for the 30 because it says closing in 11 minutes, right? Let me see if there's another zone. Yeah, that's another zone.
Yo.
What a
Yeah.
You're not going gym today, mate?
Yeah, a little bit, a little bit.
Cracker.
Lasagna?
Lasagna?
Yeah.
It's not morning time for him. Yeah.
I thought you were still talking about gym and I heard lasagna. I was like, what?
I thought you thought he was gonna have like just woke up and breakfast is having a fat lasagna.
Yeah, I was going to say, fucking hell, mate, I had one of them this morning as well. Not joking.
Bro, look at the rejection as well. What's going on?
That's crazy.
Yeah, this price action is looking a bit scary, bro.
That's crazy, man. What is going on?
What is going on? Jerome, chill, bro. He's having an argument with his wife right now, and every word he's saying the fucking chart's moving.
Maybe gold charts like an ECG of Jerome's heart and he's just fell out of bed or something.
Yeah, he's fell off.
And that's why it's been flat all night, because it's just not a lot going on.
You're gonna call it off now and you need a bit of rest. So yeah, no worries, bro. Take care. Drop a like before you leave. Appreciate it. Good morning, KC.
To be fair, it's not that much volume, it's just because it's been so dead, isn't it?
Yeah, it's been... How many pips was that? Nah,
Not
to be
a lot.
fair...
20.
But like, it was just a pop of 20 pips in like 1 second.
You gotta close above this range, eh?
Yeah, you do. Otherwise, it's just gonna just keep being an idiot.
I'd go back for was it be back in 10 or 15.
Cool.
That's a short walk.
Might be a bit longer. There we go.
So it's not quite taking it on the walk in Australia anymore. Yeah, and it's got runners, yeah.
Chat, don't worry about my position. Go on hustle straight, alright? Don't worry about what my trader's doing. Worry about what Hustle's doing at the moment and his analysis. Lock into like understand what Hus is looking at, what ranges, where the closures have to be, all of that type of stuff.
AI fucking IC marks. What happened with your IC? My IC marks is fine. Did you get slipped or something? What the? Oh, you had a buy stop over the highs and it got slipped by 10 pips. Ah, yeah, bruv. I don't think any broker would have probably saved you from that then if IC market slipped you, because IC markets is that's a solid broker. That is annoying though. I know that feeling. It's just because it's shot up and it is blinked up, which is a bit annoying. So you should still be good. You just need this candle to close above, and then if this candle's close above, the next one creates a bottom wick, especially without a top wick, then we can maybe get wick entry. Can I fix the sounds when others are speaking? Yeah, I need to do that. I'll have a look at it after when I watch the replay, and then I'll play around with it. Because if I do it now, then I'll just be playing around with the settings all day on stream. So I'll do that after. It's too cold, man, in UK, bro. Like, I'm freezing. Freezing, mate.
Don't turn that heating on. What's up, Joe?
The heating is on. It's just
Put it up.
yeah, I need to put it up, bro. But then the problem is, if I put it up, my room becomes too hot, like way too
Turn it
hot.
up, like in the window. You live in life now.
What?
Bit of fresh air and a bit of heat at the same time. Splendid.
Nah. Come Australia, it's 27 degrees here. Oh, I need to do that. That's perfect weather, bro. 27 degrees. That is perfect.
Yeah, it's 25 at the moment.
Yeah,
8
see,
PM.
yeah, that's fine. I wish it was like that here every time.
It's been averaging like 30 plus every day.
It was 40 on one of that day, didn't it? Some day you said.
Yeah. 35 tomorrow.
Mad. Yeah, I need to get away, man. Come to Antarctica, it's like Dubai. You got the Ice Khalifa, the Burj Khalifa. Six degrees here. Yeah, man. I woke up, it's dark. I go to bed, it's dark. I'm like, bro, what is going on? In the UK, you get like a couple hours of sunlight, and that's it. I was watching a podcast from Jade, like it was Jade Cap or some shit. He's doing an interview or so, it was something like that, and then he was like, your environment actually affects the way you do things. So he's spending all his winters now, instead of spending it in New York where he was, where it was just depressing and dark and cold, he's gonna spend it in like different countries, like hot countries. And there's us, and I was thinking about it now. That's what I'm gonna do now. So this is the last winter I'm doing here. Next winter I'm spending it in different places, bro. I'm gonna trade from Dubai or Bali or Australia, anything like that. Somewhere where it's actually hot. Come to the North Pole, bro. yeah, in the life of a day trader. Yeah, then I can make content as well out there. I mean, it's gonna be sick.
Yeah, that'd actually be sick as.
Because the reason why you trade is to be free, right? So what's the point of me trading and making money and then not being free? So I might as well do that. So next winter I'm out. Vlog's gonna smack, exactly, Sham.
Alright, I'll see you in Australia.
Yeah. Let's go. Let's go on the boat.
I'm gonna head to the gym, bro. Take it easy. Have a good stream.
Peace, man. See you later.
See you later.
Go to Thailand. You'd enjoy living there. Yeah, so a lot of people told me that Thailand, like, it's good. Like the nature and stuff's nice. There's loads to do. $40+ here in Oz. Don't recommend. Yeah. It's just, I don't know. I'd actually rather 40. It sounds weird, but I'd rather 40 than this weather right now in England.
You're joking, mate. I'd rather this weather.
You're a geezer, that's why I'm not.
No, but the thing, I do understand, yeah, but for me, just personally, I prefer to be cold and put clothes on and then be warm, because when you're hot, mate, I can't deal with that. That feels like I'm gonna... That 40 degree stuff would write me off. I wouldn't be able to live in something like that.
But for me, my body actually like,
Yeah.
like, you know what I mean? I don't feel too hot. When people use, like even when it's hot in England and people complain, I'm sitting there, I'm like, it's not even that hot.
You're right.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
It depends on you in it. But then when it's cold, I'm like, fuck me, it's freezing. And then there's people just like, well, it's not even that cold. I'm like, mate.
Yeah, exactly, mate. It's just what you get used to. Eh?
Yeah. That's why, yeah, and defo I'm spending next winter somewhere.
He's off.
I'm off. 3 months. 1 month in a different country each.
That sounds like a good plan.
Yeah.
Day trading, traveling the world. That's perfect.
Yeah. Day trading, traveling, making content.
He's going to get all his trading accounts.
Problem is how am I going to stream?
And then
I'm
different
going to have to
ideas.
sort that out if I even stream. That. Japan is amazing. Yeah, I do want to go to Japan. But Japan, like, not like I wouldn't go like to like live there for long. I'd go there just to see it, you know, for like a week.
Explore it.
Yeah, explore it a bit, and then crazy people in the UK rocking shorts in this weather. Yeah, man, bro, I don't know how they do it. What's up, Raj Chauhan? Yeah, how do they do it? People just wear like shorts in any weather.
That's what you get a motocross.
But how you not freezing? Like the hair. How much funded capital do you have at the moment, Huss? I have 6 figures in funding capital. Live. The goal is 7 figures, 2024. Don't forget the flip-flops, well, people. To be fair, I haven't seen anyone wearing flip-flops, but if they do, their toes are gonna go blue, bro. Alright, let's look it in quick, right? So we actually close above here, chat. Let's see if we can push down. If this okay, let's hope that we can push down without a top wick all the way down here, and then we can take a wick entry. And we'll put our zone at the bottom of the range. Come on, man. Let's see. Lock it in, lock it in, lock it in. Let me look left quickly. Alright, right here. If we can come here without the bottom wick, we can, without the top wick, then we could take a wick entry. That's the minimum we need it to come down to. Actually, you know what? Because it's here. Alright, that's what's going to be good, right? If we can re-break this low and do another push down, we can take a position on the wick entry. That's what we can do. If it drives though. Not a weak entry, a wick entry. On the wick.
Hi guys, we're just about to take a week entry.
David about to take a week entry, chat. Whoa! What is this candle doing? Did you just see that? It just went red and then... Bro, it literally, I blinked and it went like, it just went fat red.
Oh, it's cracked today.
Yeah, gold is dancing. So look, this is what I've seen these positions happen so many times, right? So it enters people on this, and then it basically gets everyone in, and then it will just fucking fly down. So that is the issue with taking a flip there. But now, yeah, I guess this is a bit chalked. What is gold doing today, honestly? Is there news that come out that we don't know? Did Don retire seriously? Yeah, he retired from streaming, yeah. He retired from streaming. Crazy. Oh, look how we would have got this with country here, man. I'm not trying to take it if it just comes here, though. It needs to come here. But now that I've made a top wick, means that we can come even lower, which means the wick entry has to be lower. The wick entry has to be like here, because we made a top wick. So let's see if that can happen. If it, well, the way gold's moving, it can actually happen. And if not, we still got this hourly candle close, right? Oh no, it did close. That's the problem. Closed above, to be fair. 15-minute. Yeah, so this is a chalked candle. Retire for the year. Who's going to do New York sessions then? I think Wix is going to do New York sessions for now. Manipulation now, man. Yeah, bruv. Gold is moving nuts right now. I don't know what was going on right there. People were just getting slipped left, right, center. Even I reckon we would even got slipped even if we entered that, because it just shot down and up again. Captain also stream in some days. Yeah, Captain's gonna stream, man. What's happened to Don? Nothing's happened to him. He's just you know, taking it easy.
That's gonna be a weird feel, right?
He's accomplished what he wanted to accomplish, you know. Yeah, this is gonna feel that work. If we close above here, then we've got momentum to just keep coming up and just mirror this whole move right here. If we mirror that move, it'll be nice. This move here. Mirror that to come up, and then we can continue to take positions. But the candles are moving a bit dodgy, so I don't know if we're even going to get the wicks. What the fuck happened to gold? Yeah, I know. It's playing out. It's playing around today. I don't know what's going on. People are getting slipped. Even if you're like taking buys, you're still getting slipped. So that's the problem. Don't FOMO it though, chat. Right? If you didn't get in there, how many times we've said this on stream when we say don't FOMO, and then something happens and everyone who FOMO got smoked. So let's just. If you're in it though, good. Go break even, take some profit. Yeah, Don's still trading. He's just not gonna 5 minute no bottom wick. Yeah, and no top wick. You are in, profit taken. Nice. Oh yeah, you got slipped as well, didn't you? But at least you're in profit now. Took a buy at 100 pips running. Nice, mate. Good on you. If you got that, then what you should call it a day. Keep your profits. Don't give it back to the market. That's a lot of mistakes that some people do. You get your profit for the day, and then what do? You get so emotional with those profits that your head's not right. You're thinking, oh yeah, I can go make more profits or something, and then you give it all straight back to the market, and then you feel worse, and then you go on tilt, and then you actually end up losing to the market. The market will always win in that for people who are emotional. What you should do is, if you got profit, You done well for the day. Acknowledge that you did well for the day. Don't get over emotional, but cool. Like, call it then, you know. I've been taking it a bit easier because, like, I've caught 400 pips last week. 400 pips. So, realistically, I don't even need to trade for the rest of the year. But I'm just doing it, you know, taking it easy, just doing the same old, same old. If I don't get exactly what I want on the setup, then I'm not gonna take it. There's no issue. I've made enough money. Did you learn from Don? Yeah, I learned from Don in the beginning. Don was the main structure behind the way I trade. And then sort of adapted certain things. We want Don back. You need to do a petition then. Don's planning to manage big boy investor capital now, chat. So how is he going to stream and do that, you know? He's retired. Wix, I think Wix is going to stream it. Today, I think Wix is streaming it. So you'll still get something like that. Bro, was starting slow and maintaining patience struggle for you at first? Yeah, 100%. Bro, starting slow and having patience is a struggle for everyone at first. Everyone. Because everyone wants to make money. And everyone wants to make money quick. And everyone's seeing other people make money. So then you get impatient. And then you lose your discipline and your edge. And the problem is, some things in trading, I can tell you guys to be patient and to do this and to do that and to learn from my mistakes. But some actual things you have to learn by going through it yourself. That's literally just life. So you will go through times where you're going to blow your account. You're going to go tilt. You're going to go major drawdown. Those are the times that you either will make or break you. You either learn from it and become a good trader from it, or you get beaten up by it and then you keep switching strategies and switching careers and side hustles, and you know. But then you're going to face that sort of obstacle in every single you're going to face that obstacle in every single field, whether it be e-commerce, whether you do Amazon, whether you do trading, whether you do marketing, whether you do anything, right? You're going to face that hurdle of things not working exactly the way that you planned it out. So that's what you gotta do, bro. Your patience has come a long way. Your patience has come a long way. Haven't had a trade since last Monday, but on a 7 win streak. Currently doing A-star setups. Yeah, bro. Only A-star setups, man. What's the point taking a lower class setup when your money is on the line? I want to buy. I was in a buy 2023 because of that gaps imbalance needed to be filled. Nice. What do you think about 100 pips and drop down? Well, I don't know. I don't think anything about it. I don't think we will come 100 pips down, but anything can happen. But I don't think 100. I don't think it'll come 100 pips down. Yeah, we look to actually, no, we could come 100 pips down, yeah. It depends. Don't want to be streaming next year or not? Donna's retired, my friend. You were holding buys at 2041 from Friday. From Friday, you see reaching all soon. Should I look for the closing? I think you should take some profits. Yes. If you ever find yourself asking someone, should I take profit here? Should I take profit here? Then just close partials, because then you will not be worried about that. You know. or just close your whole position. Don't try to catch every pip on the market, on the thing. Like, catch whatever you set out to catch in the beginning before you even enter the trade. Yes, but don't, like, try to cap every single pip. Buys at, so you're managing loss. Oh, so you're down. Ah, I see. Right now, you're more bullish than bearish, right? So, just see how it closes. See if you get closures above on higher time frame. See if the 1 hour closes above. Then you manage it off that. If it doesn't, then you can start to close out, you know. Hey Mulli, I'm from Nigeria. You are one of my mentors, someone who I'm seeing and looking to be like him in the Forex market. I appreciate that, bro. Just keep doing what you're doing, showing up, learning. It's just how it is. There's no like. The thing is, I can't really sugarcoat anything and make it seem so exciting. Like, that's literally how I learn. I can't say I learned by doing this secret thing that no one else does. Like, nah, I just literally learned by showing up every day, every single day, learning from my mistakes, journaling, trading, taking losses, learning literally from experience rather than theory. But I did do loads of back testing as well. I did forward testing. I did watch streams. I checked my zones against dons. I did all this stuff to become profitable. Oh, hey, so you'll be streaming until Friday? Yeah, I'll be streaming until this Friday, and then I'll take 1 week off, and then I'll come back. So it's not it's just a week off to just chill. I'm still gonna trade that week if there's volume in the market, but I'm not gonna stream now. Well, I stream New York session anytime soon. See, I thought about that, but the thing is, right, what's got me to this stage right now is after this call, I still continue to trade New York every day. But the thing is, I trade it locked in with my cousin without any distractions, because New York's my session where I'm mostly to get my positions, right? So I'm thinking, if that's what got me here today and it's been working, why would I change it and stream New York when I'll be distracted answering questions and doing this and that on my most important session where my money is actually on the line? So that's just something I need to consider. This stream's fine because it's like it's only like 2 hours where we seeing what positions we can get. If we don't get them, we get them. But if stream all the way to New York, it might put me on tilt, and maybe it's something I need to work on myself as well as a trader to not be distracted. But what I do is, what's got me here today is after this I don't even talk to any of like the DVS boys or anything. I literally just lock it in, trade my session, and then once I'm done, then I'll start hopping on calls with everyone else.
Can confirm.
Can confirm, yeah. Jack gets a bit lonely sometimes without me.
Yeah, he ignores me and I have to double message him and say, babes, where are you? Until he replies. Sometimes I have to drop call him as well.
I lock myself in a cave, mate.
Just missed him a bit.
How many years you been in trading? Well, I was doing crypto before for 2 years and then Forex for 2 years. So 4 years altogether in the space of trading, but in Forex trading, 2 years. And that's 2 actual years, not 2 like half-hearted years. That's full in. Do you invest in crypto before bull run? Yeah. I did. I knew about crypto before everyone was talking about it. What made me change from crypto to Forex? Yeah, good question. It's because like when you're in crypto, you're relying on someone else, someone else's team, someone else's project, someone else's coin. It's more fundamental based. It's more based on different factors, external factors, whereas when I'm trading Forex, it's on me. The market's so big in Forex that yeah, there's fundamental things, but I can just stay out of them and catch my piece, or I can even No matter what the day is, no matter what the week is, no matter if we're bullish, if we're bearish, I can catch things no matter what. So that's why I went into Forex, and I'm glad I did. Because it's you versus you when you're against, when you're trading Forex. It's not you versus the market. The market's going to move regardless, up, down, wherever it is. If it doesn't care about you. So that's why if you catch your piece and you're disciplined, you'll catch your piece, you know. That's it. It's looking like a good closure in 30 minutes, chat. So what we might do is, if this closes below, we just need a bottom wick for the next one. Then we'll enter on the rebreak of the highs, and then yeah, we'll see what happens. Let me see where we would have to go. Break even. Every time we closed above, we came up. Literally every time. Facts, yes sir. What type of traders are I'm gonna do a poll. I want to do a poll with chat. I want to see what type of trader are. Answer that in chat if you answer that poll in chat. I want to see what type of trader everyone is. Oh, we got some swings. We got some mostly scalpers. Oh, it's changing. 12 votes.
I don't have an answer because I do all of it.
What? What's your most? Like, what do you mostly do? If you had to pick one.
I guess scalp. No, I don't know, mate.
Yeah, I don't know about intro
I really just vary quite a lot of what I do.
You swing as well?
Yeah, I do all of it.
But do you scalp? Listen, there's a difference. Like, do you swing or do you scalp and hold a runner?
No. I know I'm getting a swing because I take it off of like a weekly or something.
Ah, okay. Yeah, then that is a swing.
Yeah, I'm a swing trader because I just managed to hold 10 pip scalp for a long time.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Swing trader.
Jack is the famous swinger in the neighborhood. Where's my trade and pray option? What, the Bismillah strat? The Bismillah strat. You think some guy I remember saw a question in Raja's stream, and some guy was like, I keep praying to God and like for the chart to move and it's just not moving. And then he was just like, bro, that's not how God's gonna work. You can't just ask him for the candle. Can this next candle go 50 pips, and then it's just God's gonna be like, yeah, you know what? Let's move the 50 pips for him. Like, bruv. Some guy actually asked him that, and he was just like, you should watch it. I think there's a clip on it online or something. Mate, some guy was just like, how come I keep praying to God for the candle to move and it's not moving? Does he not like me or something? I was like, bro, what's wrong with you? Okay, daily is bearish. Okay, 4 hour is. Wait, let me see the daily actually bearish. Yeah, it's actually bearish. Okay, 4 hour broke the highs. 1 hour broke the lows. 30 minute might close back into this range. How big is this? So 40 pips. This range is the next one. Every time we closed below here, we came down. To be honest, chat, we might get a trade on GJ. Here. Because look, we're closing, we grabbed all this liquidity. The 4 hour is bullish, however, the daily's bearish and the 1 hour just broke the lows. So that's what I'm trying to think. So if we might have to have a little bit bigger stop though, that's the problem. But we might be able to still catch that 10 pips if we close below here on this 30. GJ's moving crazy as well. Are you a scalper? What type of trader are you? I wouldn't say I'm a scalper. I'm saying more like day trader. Intraday, day, you know. I trade within the day, like 30-minute time frame, 1 hour time frame, 4 hours sometimes. Man, this week is gonna be boring because not much red folders. Only on Friday is from, yeah. There's some on Thursday, I think, as well. Let's see. Yeah, unemployment claims on Thursday, so you might get something. It's just, I feel like price action is gonna be pretty chalked. Bro doing black magic with candles to move. That's funny. What is this gold candle? That's not looking good. GJ's looking better than gold right now. But you need that closure. Most people said they are 100 out of 102 votes. Most people said that they are day traders, 30-minute time frame plus, rather than swing. Only 7% said they're swing traders, and 29% said they are scalpers with the 5-minute. Interesting. So most people do like the medium type of frames, like 30 minutes and stuff, 1 hours. Interesting. To be fair, I always thought this, right? Swing traders can't really stream because they, you know, like they get positions when the market presents itself, obviously, but then they hold the positions longer, so they can't do like 5-day streams, can they? Like, it wouldn't work. Should I do Bitcoin analysis just like gold, or it's different? You can do it just like gold. It's price action, right? We're not trading anything specific to gold. We're just trading the price action of gold. And the reason why I know gold is because I've done it for long enough to just understand how the pair moves. You need to understand how the pair moves. You might have a lower win rate in the beginning because you don't understand how that pair actually moves. But if you keep trading it for 6 months to a year, you'll know how the pair moves. Week-long streams, yeah.
There's your 30 flip.
Yeah, man. Crazy. Crazy.
You didn't get a wick entry.
Bruv, you think I'm going to get the wick entry after it's grabbed all that liquidity? The wick entry was valid if we pushed down without grabbing the liquidity up. But now you grab the liquidity up, the wick entry is invalid because you're coming straight all the way back down again. Because all this could be liquidity for us. If that is all liquidity for us to come down, then it's gone down like that.
To the bottom of the range.
Yeah.
Clear the whole lot, mate.
Yeah, so clear all this.
To like 2016 at least.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So that's why once the move plays out like that, you can't do it. No. And then I'll just move my zone above that like a resistance, and then maybe I'll just wait for a closure above that to show that okay, that wasn't the liquidity to come down. If you need to get the next candle that closes above it, if the next candle closes respecting it again, and then you push up again, then you probably take it back down. But that's it. It's a bit.
What are you looking at? There being liquidity under like whatever that level is there, like 22 under those wicks. 20 was it?
Yeah, like where these wicks are, yeah. But to be honest, I'm just gonna wait for closures because this is a bit fucked. Gold is moving a bit mad. Madness. Captain's doing a 365-day stream for everyone. He's gonna be the world's first trader to do a 365-day stream without stopping the stream.
That never happened, mate. The internet go right.
You get to watch him sleep. You get to watch him eat breakfast. He attaches a GoPro on it, and then you got the chart on the right as well.
When he goes around the shops, like when they've let the cat or the dog out with a GoPro on before.
Yeah.
You can see his arms grabbing all the crisps and everything.
Yeah, and he's gonna talk about every candle that prints for the rest of the year. PC then. Yeah, he's gonna need a NASA computer. He's gonna need 400 gigs of RAM, two 4090s, then he'll do it.
Chat, what the heck is crisp?
What?
You know, like crisps, mate. Like, what would you call crisps in Australia?
I don't even know what crisp.
You don't know what crisp is?
Salt and vinegar
Crisp, prawn cocktail, salt and vinegar barbecue.
Potato chips. We just call it
Fucking crisps, mate.
That's crisp.
chips.
Chips? No, chips are what you get from McDonald's.
No, man, they're fries. French fries, man.
Nah, bro. Chips are from Mackey's. Crisps
I'm not
are...
gonna lie, the whole chips and crisps thing, the UK's got it down, mate. All the other ones are backwards.
Yeah, facts.
They're just dumb.
Alright, chat.
I'm happy there's different words and all that, but it doesn't make sense.
It's crisp, bro.
And a crisp is a crisp, because it's a crispy crisp.
Yeah, it's crispy, exactly. It's that... When you bite it goes... That's crisp.
It's crunchy.
You don't... nah, that's a chip, a crisp.
No, that's a honeycomb with chocolate over it, crunchy.
Oh wow.
French crisp.
And then they really went all out on those one bag of crisps, the French fries, that they actually made them look like chips, didn't they? Remember?
The French fries, mate.
Oh yeah, it's the
Them long skinny ones.
Yeah. They're the most bland chips out there.
Imagine going to a restaurant and ordering the French fries and then you end up with fucking bag of that salt and vinegar over your plate.
Bro, that's just... Come on, man. Honestly.
That's Corey.
You guys do chips? You guys do chips here? Damn.
I'd much rather the price didn't really...
Oh my...
What is happening?
What is happening? Am I just hallucinating? Did I have mushrooms or something before this? Because how did that candle just flip red a second ago?
Yeah.
Yeah, what is going on?
Everyone just got slipped for sure.
Bro, whoever got slipped there was like, sorry? Yeah, am I bugging out or something? What's just happened?
Bugging out, man.
The thing is, right, even if you put a sell stop on this flip, obviously you're gonna get smoked by the fucking... It's gonna slip bomb, it's gonna come down here, you're gonna get slipped 10 pips and you're fucked.
What are the spreads are?
Nah, like... Yeah, the spreads are fine until it blinks down, mate.
Yeah, you're right. That's what always gets you.
Yeah, because the spread is fine right now, but for that 1 second that it blinks, it's not going to be fine. But I need to wait for close anyway. So daily is range 2 both ways, and then it's a potential for let me see. Nah, if the 4 hour didn't break the previous fucking 4 hour highs, man. There ain't nowhere to put your stops at all.
You what, mate?
Other than, but the thing is, this is not an onion down because the 4 hour broke the high, so you're technically bullish, and then yeah, so you can't really say that just because this 30-minute is closed bearish that the whole direction is bearish, because it's not. So you gotta wait for this 30 closure, which means it's gonna be the 4 hour closure, which means 4 hour is going to close, and if the 4 hour closes above here, then you're likely to maybe come up and mirror this right here, which is interesting. But if your close is respecting, then you're likely going to push up with the next one and then come down and flip and come and clean this bottom of this range where these wicks are. So the 4 hour is going to be the most important thing, to be honest. The 1 hour is just, what is it doing? Genuinely, is this what they mean by December price action, mate? Because last December wasn't actually that bad. When I traded last December, it was alright. But gold is dancing right now, mate.
They're like, if we didn't get you earlier in the year, now
it's our time to shine.
have a go at this.
Yeah, if we didn't blow your account all year, you're about to be tested that one last time. Yeah. When did you call it?
Today, actually.
Yeah, that's fair enough, mate.
What, you've had another $1 million day?
Yeah.
Um,
Much, you know, but I'm thinking maybe start streaming since everyone's telling me to. Who knows?
The US 30 goat.
Because there is insane. I love it.
Someone said I blow 20 account. How many accounts has everyone blown this year, chat? Let's be honest. Let's be a therapy session. Just open up. At least if you're honest, then you know you won't care about it, and then you're not gonna be emotional.
I blew the
4, 20,
I'm
1,
the same as Eric, mate.
1, have 0. Are you telling the truth? Forex boy 1. You've never blown an account in 2 years of trading. Fair enough. More than 100. 3, 1, 3, 20 accounts worth around 2,000. Yeah, that's alright. 1 live, 3 challenges. Now I'm funded. Yeah, that's good. 6, 5. Blown like 20, but my payouts are very positive. Yeah, that's another thing. Like, if you blow accounts, it's or on your personal, maybe it's not good to keep doing. Like, you shouldn't do that. But on fundeds, it all matters is, did you get all the payouts from it? Like, was it positive in that terms? You took a 1,000 to 3,000 and blew it. Yeah, bro, that happens, man. Oh, you're 2 months in. Okay, it's alright. Too many. Yeah, 4 props until I got funded. Yeah, I think I blew 4 or 5 prop firms before I got funded. So whoever's saying that they blew an account, you're not alone, mate. I blew when I first started probably 4, 5 prop firms, and then I also blew maybe 3 personal accounts. So probably about 7 accounts I think I probably blew. 4 years, no blown account. Are you telling the truth, mate? Is 20 so much? It depends. Like 20, it depends, man. It depends. Like 20, how much money did you put in it? Like how much was that? How much money did it mean to you? You know, there's all these different factors. Like as long as you learn, as long as you got better each time you've blown that account, you got better for the next account. That's alright. What lot size for 5k? Like 0.3 of them, bro. Facts, yeah. Yeah, what is GJ doing? Well, I wanted the 30 to close below there, right? So we didn't close below any of these. That candle literally closed it like this. Right there, so. That candle. If it closed below, we would have taken that, but it's just not how things go here. Do you wait for 4-hour close on gold? Well, I will now. Well, I only wait like when it's like 30 minutes to the 4-hour, then I'll rather wait for that. What were the factors that added to never got my first paycheck, lost it all in a week trading, holding a 300 gold order. Yeah, man, I remember I used to move my stops. I used to think, yeah, if I move my stop, yes, I'm gonna hit this. Then it kept coming down. I'm like, nah, move it again. I kept coming down. It kept moving again. It kept coming down. I was like, bruv. Then smack. And then the margin. You get the email margin call. And I was like, oh, God, bro. And then I'm there sitting like, how do I make this money back? Rather than how do I take time off? Like a day to refresh. And then you go again. And you load up another account. And then you blow it again. And then that's... But you have to go through it to become a good trader. It's literally has to be done. That probably plays a part into why so many traders are not successful, because they can't go through that phase of blowing the accounts without actually learning from it. They just keep wanting to gamble it based on the money that they need to make back, rather than, alright, how do I learn how to actually trade, or was it my fault? You have to drop your ego. You know? If you drop your ego, you'll... Not even just in trading and other stuff, you'll become better. Like in boxing, for example, I used to think before I was even boxing, before I actually even knew how to box, I used to think that I'm sick at boxing. And then I went in and I was getting fucked up, bruv. And I was like, what is going on? I can't even hit these guys. Then you just have to drop your ego and be like, right, cool, alright, maybe I'm not as good as I thought, mate, because one punch isn't landing on these guys. And then you got humbled because... Mate. And then what happened is I was sparring. Then when I started getting a bit better, then I was like sparring everyone that had the same amount of like experience as me, and I was cooking them up, yeah. Then they were like, right, cool, I'm gonna send this. And then they sent some kid in, not a kid, like some guy in, yeah, that was like 30 amateur, and I was like, right, okay. And this guy hit me with the biggest overhand in my nose, and I was just like, bruv, fucking hell, where did that come from? And then yeah, so then I just learned that there's levels, so it's fun. But now I like just do it for fun, innit? Because whether they're better than me or worse than me, it's just fun to get better. Every time you go and you spar or you do any sort of training, whether it's football or anything or trading, you're just gonna get better each time. But you have to drop your ego. You can't think you're the best at it. W Rogon 2K with a 7k trade. With a 7k I trade one lot. Yeah, that's fair enough. Depends how big your stops does. How many years have you been trading? Oh, training boxing. I started when I was at uni. So 2 years probably.
Well, I never realised it's the 80.
First sparring guy with 96 kg. Never gonna forget that. Yeah, man. Bro, I've sparred someone that's 100 kg and his punches were just smacking through my glove. Like it's hard, bro. But if they know how to, if they don't know how to fight, then it don't matter, bro. They're just shit. But if they know how to fight, you're gonna get cooked. He's training in his PS5. Did I drop out of uni? No, I didn't drop out of uni. I completed uni because why not get it done? You know, like a lot of people. This culture of like, oh yeah, drop out, but you can't drop out if you're not even like, you haven't got anything really going for you yet. Then you might as well do it until there's something's going for you. Then you can make a decision. But you shouldn't even drop out of uni until, if you're already in it, don't drop out. Just do it, because it might help you get a job or something, and then with that job, maybe you can go remote, and then maybe you can use that money to fund your other things, and then if you have the right mindset for it, you can funnel your energy into other things till you build a buffer, and then when you build a buffer, then you can start taking time off, because you've already got your bills for the year covered, you know? Ever planned on trying jiu-jitsu? Yeah, I have tried Brazilian jiu-jitsu. I know the basics. I haven't competed in it though.
You normally prefer the Brazilian waxing now, don't you?
Bruv. Hey Huss, what was your profession at uni? I did computer science. I mean, I wouldn't say I'm the best at it. I'm pretty shit at coding, but...
What does it even involve, that whole topic?
It's like coding, innit?
What, just that, focusing on that?
Bruv, I was shit, man, I'll be honest. I paid people to do my coursework.
Cool.
Yeah.
The man's just gone on a rant about telling you...
No, but like, at least I got it done.
Oh, so now you just told us you paid someone to do it.
Yeah, bruv, at least I got it done. I didn't pay someone to do... You can't pay someone to take the exam for you, mate.
No, mate, I'm joking.
You just a coursework. Like, there's some coursework that I fucking couldn't do it. Like, I was just like, man.
Yeah.
I had to pay Nav to do it.
Nah.
Yeah, Nav was like, hello? Nav was like, brother, I'll give you a good discount. So I'll pay Nav. He's
got that Xbox 360 microphone on all the time, isn't he? The one-eared one.
Yeah, the one... He's got the one-eared mic. But yeah, I did computer science, and then basically I just got it done. Even though I didn't really enjoy it, I just got it done. Because, why not, mate? Gold looking bearish today. Gold previous daily actually closed respecting the support, so it's more bullish than bearish. Especially because the 4 hour has now broken the high, so this next 4 hour closure is going to be important. Nah, bro, IT is the best profession along with trading. Yeah, I do believe that, to be fair. Like Cam does cybersecurity or something as well. Like, that's pretty much IT. It's all in the bracket of IT basically. But and he can balance like so many things. Yeah, that's what I would suggest people do. If you can find a career or a degree or something where you can work remotely, if you can do that, then you can make money from it, and then you can trade and you can do all these other things on the side as well, and you make bread. So there's no harm in that. Like, do it if you can. Or another thing is, if you want to, on the other spectrum, if you want to learn like a trade or something, do that, because then you can pick when you want to do work. Like, you can take 2 weeks off and no one can tell you what to do. Yeah, that's another good thing. Like, if you guys are like whatever, electrician or something, and just if you do any IT thing as well, you can probably find a remote job or any data type thing. You can do it remote. Or the only issue is if you don't do anything and then you end up in retail. I've worked in retail before, and it's just, mate, you ain't gonna have no chance to do nothing. It's basically modern day slavery, bro.
Mm-hmm. It's not even accurate.
Bro, it's not even that. Yeah. It's like, jeez, man, like flipping hell. I've worked at Tesco, I've worked at River Island, I've worked at Smash Burger, I worked at Domino's, I worked at all these places, mate, and they just hated all of them.
You done River Island?
Yeah, I quit after one day.
I couldn't imagine you in there, mate. Hello, son, can I help you with those pens?
Nah, but why do you think I got kicked out?
Those leather shoes, you need them in a size 9, so let me go and have a look for you.
No, that's why I got fired, because I wasn't doing that. What they do now, Hus? So basically, I have like a 2 years experience in like data analysis. So I sometimes I take it, I don't do nothing and I just trade, and then sometimes I take like a 6-month like contract or something, or 3-month contract, and then do that as well. Just depends how I feel. If I finish a contract and I want to do another one, I just do it. If I don't, if I want to take time off to just trade, I just trade. But at least I got the freedom now to do that, which is good. But fucking hell, man, I'm telling you, like, Domino's is bad as well.
How long was you doing that for?
The whole of COVID.
Really, man? What Domino's?
I did I did half of COVID. We're in Tesco.
You buy a little moped with a box on the back, which you go around in your car.
In my own car. I did Tesco for half of COVID, and then I did Domino's the other half.
Tesco, what, in the store, or what was you doing?
Yeah, in the store, but then everyone's fucking running in when the doors open because it's like zombie apocalypse, and everyone's trying to take. And I have to tell people, I'm telling people like, relax, like you can't take 10 toilet rolls, mate.
Can't take 10 toilet rolls, bastard.
Yeah, I'm like, bro, man, you can't take 10 toilet rolls. They're like, well, no, I'm like, mate, did I make the rule? Did you think I made it up?
Bro, they think that. They
Yeah.
think that you made the rules.
Yeah, like, do you think I just made this rule, mate? You think I'm pulling this rule out my ass? No.
She just told him to go down Costco's, mate, get as many toilet rolls as you want.
But my mindset on money's changed so much because, like, I did that. I actually don't regret doing that because it did make me more grateful that I can get out of that, you know? But
yeah.
But now, like, that whole month of working there, I can make it in fucking one trade. Like, it's just mad.
Yeah, man.
And I'm in my house. Like, it's just weird.
Fit in your pants.
Bruv, honestly.
Bro, I remember working a 12-hour shift for 100 quid.
Yeah, and it's like, what is that? Like, 100 quid now, it goes on one Friday.
Like 8 quid an hour, ain't it? Not even.
Man.
Yeah, when I was at 16 at 8 quid an hour, it's just like...
Fucking hell. So it's like I genuinely feel sorry. Like I actually felt sorry for the people that are there, like that were like older and they had like a mortgage to pay, and then this woman that there was like this woman that was bare nice, bless her, yeah, she was like oh, I'm like, how'd you do this every day? And she's like, I just have to because I'm stuck with my rent and my mortgage and I've got 2 kids. And I was like, fuck, man. Like,
It's a different line.
yeah, that's why you gotta be grateful, bro, that we can get out of that.
True stuff.
It's actually the Matrix.
The Matrix.
And then the manager, the one guy that gets manager, gets fucking ego boost up to his head there.
Because he's on £28,000.
Because he's on, yeah.
Every weekend under the sun.
Yeah, under the sun, and he licks the other manager's ass, so he got a manager position. Then he's like, fucking, thinks he's Larry Big Bollocks when he comes into work.
Bro,
Because he
when I...
go to the regional meeting one time.
Yeah.
And they gave him a new jacket.
Yeah, they give a new colour fucking badge, and that's it. It's fucked, man. Yeah, I heard. One thing I haven't worked at is a warehouse. That's one thing. My cousin worked there. I heard it's literally like prison.
I quit an Amazon warehouse within an hour and 30 minutes of going there.
What, you lasted that long, mate?
Bro, honestly.
It's like prison, isn't it?
I can't
The
even.
count tax was coming.
It's just mad. Everyone there looks like a zombie. They've got no life. in them.
Yeah, man.
Really?
Bro,
It's all regimented like that, is it?
13-hour shift and it's like this dark room and everyone's just like, you get told when you can go to the toilet and like,
What?
What
Yeah.
the fuck?
Amazon slave labor.
Don't worry about you. It's alright.
Bro, honestly.
That's crazy.
Brother, the grind be different once you got kids. At least for me, 23 years, first kid is 5 months old. Yeah, kids can definitely make you hustle more, to be fair. But it's just that I'm saying it's just unfortunate for the people that like you listen to what society tells you to. You have to rush buying a mortgage and shit like that, and then you get the mortgage which is max of your salary. So now you're going into maximum debt that you can actually go in, and then now you're paying that off for the rest of your life, and it gets a bit sticky. That's why it's probably better to just use that money to learn how to make more money and then start doing that stuff. Yeah. Did warehouse for 6 months, 12-hour shifts during COVID, threw it in crypto, eventually paid off. Yeah, see, that's good because you use it.
You gotta do that. You gotta
Yeah, you have to do
multiply it. If you don't multiply it, you're fucked. Loads
Yeah.
of people get that payment and then they're like, oh, I need new like Air Forces or whatever, you know.
Yeah, that's so true.
Paycheck to paycheck.
Yeah, some people will get that paycheck where they work so hard, 12-hour shifts, for how many months, and then they just blow it on a fucking car or some shit that they don't need. Yeah, or fucking Canada Goose.
Finance Mercedes.
Yeah, finance Mercedes, and then what are you doing, mate? Like, then you're gonna have to go back for another 6 months now. Like, it's fucked.
Someone's bare hurt in the comments. Finance.
After getting taxed again and again, money just goes back to government. Yeah, honestly, it does.
You've just got 300 subscribers.
Fuck that. Move to Asia, buy everything cash. Yeah, at least then you actually own your thing. You own something, right? It's crazy, man. It's getting. I saw a graph of like how we think the cost of living and stuff is bad right now. It's gonna even go worse. Like
This is nothing.
this is nothing. It's about to get, because we're basically like in a delayed phase. So it's whatever's actually getting hit is gonna come in like later years. So everyone's fucked generally if you don't try and learn another way to make money. Live in Thailand, get a scooter, bro. I think that would be so fulfilling though. Like,
Bro, that's my plan.
innit? That would be sick. Like you actually get to experience that actual life rather than just, you know.
What's the Japanese fisherman story? You heard that?
Nah.
It's long as fuck, but
Oh.
effectively, you can go and live that life now, where you live that holistic life, go and see stuff, or you
Yeah.
can earn loads of money and do it when you're 60.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like, you can live broke in Thailand right now, but live like a king.
Yeah. I know, because it's just the level of things. West is depressing, yeah. Bro, you like think about what they try and push, right? I don't give a fuck. We'll let the stream. They probably won't ban the stream anyway. But fucking, what do they push? They push. You go to school, right? You learn subjects that I think I do genuinely think every person should learn basic, like, you should be competent to understand English, maths, you know, science. Like, you should do that. I believe all that up until GCSE is good. Then after that, the subjects you pick, there's like they fucking, I remember they told me that to get into this uni you're gonna have to do physics, maths, chemistry. Bro, I did them, and the uni said they didn't even care about fucking what I did. They just wanted me to get decent grades. So I could have picked the easiest subjects instead of picked the hardest
Bro,
one.
it's the same stuff.
Yeah.
Like chemistry, biology, history.
Yeah. Pick
But,
the
like, yeah, but, and then those people that did like
media,
yeah.
business
And
media, and some shit like that, and it was easier. And then fucking they got to the same uni. I'm like, what is this fake shit that everyone said that? And then you go uni, which is now uni's actually losing their thing. But yeah, back then a uni used to be actually like really good, like, you know. But now I know people that went uni, graduated when I graduated 2 years, like a year, 2 years ago, and they still don't have a job. Like you paid them like 80, 60 grand or some shit for, and you still can't find a job. So it's a bit fucked.
Bro, I did 2 degrees, so that's extra stupid.
Yeah, and then you get a job, which is fine, right? And then they push you as soon as you get a job to go and move out and to go and find the biggest amount of mortgage you can pull from that salary, which makes you fucked. And then you're literally finished. You graduate with a 4% attendance, bro. I had that same thing. I think I had like 3%.
That's jokes though. They all said like if you don't turn up you can't pass.
Yeah.
In the second and third year I went to 1 though. So.
Yeah, I know, because I was when I was going, I was like, this guy's reading to me a PowerPoint, and like, what is this? I can do this at home. I remember me and my friend were like, oh, okay, cool, let's go to tomorrow's lecture. Like, let's just do it, man. We haven't been in a while. We go, and then we sit down, and the fucking guy is just showing us a PowerPoint slide, like, the Python script is this and that, and I'm like, bruv, we could have literally just YouTubed this. And then me and him just got up halfway through the lecture, went like Dixie's chicken or something. Yeah. And then we went out. Bruv, what is gold doing?
Gold's doing lovely things at the moment. Do you not think?
I mean, it's in the range, come back in the range.
Cooking up a bit.
Yeah, we'll cook up. I think something probably will pop out soon. You was eating KFC in classes, yeah. But yeah, again, it depends what course you do as well. Uni, it's better having it, I guess, than not still.
Oh no.
Yeah, it depends what you do and what you do with it. Because, like, if you, for example, you graduate with a good degree, like, what are you going to do with it? Are you going to actually... Are you going to, like... I don't know, man. Are you going to slave for something, or are you just going to use it to go and chase your actual purpose? And the way I saw it was, like, I used to, like... I want to be like one of the best at anything I do, right? So when I was doing computer science, I just picked it for the sake of it. But there was this guy that I knew that he used to code in his own spare time, and like, all right, guys, I'm going off. I need to go code something, make some AIs, robots, this, that. I was like, how on earth am I going to compete with this guy in the real life when he actually enjoys it? And I was thinking, right, now I need to go find something that I actually enjoy. And then luckily I found all this crypto trading and stuff. And then
And all this old stuff.
all this old stuff now, yeah, and making content and things like that. So that's what I actually enjoy.
I mean, the hourly just closed a tiny bit below.
Bro, I just got
It's not range 2 though.
I know, man.
I just closed the trade on a different pair, and because the 4 hour was about to close, and it was stalling, and then I closed 5 minutes before the 4 hour closed.
Oh my god. Right, we're gonna get in on the flip of this candle, chat.
Jesus.
Flip in hell.
Yeah, I was
Oh my goodness. Okay, we're gonna get in on the flip of this candle, and we're gonna put stops on the whole of the range. So we're gonna put a sell stop here. We might get slipped though, which is a fucking problem, but it is what it is. We're gonna put sell stop here, and then we're gonna have stops on top of this range. So this trade's gonna be like this.
Did I just hear a market execute?
No, that's called a sell stop, mate.
Oh, sorry.
Trying to draw me out, bro.
No, I weren't. I thought it was spamming.
no.
Nah. But yeah, we're gonna have sell stop here on this candle because we've grabbed all that liquidity for the 4 hour, and yeah, now we close below as well. And technically, we could say if we broke up these ranges, we could still say that's a range. So we're gonna have stops up here.
I got a little bit entry at 26.8,
Fair enough, mate.
and I like your trade as well. I'm debating.
Second entry.
Second.
Yeah, because it's keep grabbing liquidity from above now, doesn't it? Looks like it's gonna.
Yeah.
The
The way it moved as well was crazy.
Bro, I was looking at that fake out for so long, and then I wanted it to close below the previous hourly, and it did just.
Bro, that just did a madness.
Bro, I was in
But
uni-
listen, chat, do not over risk this, right? If it hits stops, we're literally fine. If this hits my stop, I'm gonna call it for the day. I'm gonna be literally completely fine. It's not gonna affect me emotionally, right? I don't want anyone to over risk accordingly. When we if you get a dub, then you can take accountability for that. You can say, yes, you got the dub. But if you take an L, you also take accountability for that. Be like, all right, cool, I'm the one that pressed the trade. That's what we're gonna do. And yeah, it's all good. You know, if you risk accordingly, this trade shouldn't make you rich, but it shouldn't make you broke as well at the same time. It should just be another trade in the journey of trades that you're gonna take.
W.
And that's what it is, man.
W mental.
W mental.
Did you get activated?
No, I didn't get activated. I'm not activated yet, chat.
Did you give it a little pip extra underneath the flip?
Yeah.
Always.
Always, yeah, so you don't get slipped.
Same with stops too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because the amount of times I've had that.
Yeah, when it's just like by one pip, yeah.
That does me the most. That annoys me the most when you get slipped out of a stop by and the market never even reached that level, and then it flies. The other way.
Yeah, and then just yeah. It's crazy.
Oh, so do you remember that one trade like months ago when we used to trade in that Discord where we had buy stops and I got slipped in and no one else did, and then it hit stops.
You've got to laugh at them things, haven't you? When you're not risking, like over risking and that, you just have to think, mate. What? That's
Yeah. Bruv, if you don't over risk, like, you're literally fine. You end up becoming so fine with like any scenario, you know? It just becomes funny.
Yeah.
The moment you get hella emotion is when you fucking start over risking. That's when it becomes peak.
Oh, I had one last week. I closed out something, and a buy, and I closed it, and I went to change the time frame to look at the trades, like see if it was all good or not. And I pressed sell straight away. I was just like, that used to annoy me if I'd done something like that, because I lost like 4 pips straight away, but I obviously had to close.
Yeah.
But then I just laughed at it because I was like, it's funny, it's just whatever, silly mistake.
Sell stop triggered? No, it's not triggered. I'll say it when it's activated. I'll delete this line when it's activated. Chat.
He's got a big deep voice that goes on the screen and goes, sell stops.
I go, yeah.
Or refilled.
Yeah.
What broker do I use? For my personal, I use IC Markets.
Right. You know that video I posted?
I'm taking this one on my personal. Say again.
Not bad. No, I posted something about like how to never take a loss, but it was like a mindset thing. And
Yeah.
everyone took it so literally, like
Oh yeah.
there's no such thing as no losses in trading. And
Like, bruv, give it a rest, mate.
I know.
Do you not think we know that?
Yeah.
Trying to talk about the mental ability to deal with it, not the physical.
Can you give me an account, Huss? Nav, what are
What's
you?
wrong with my mic? Why did you never say fix my mic? Is it crap because I'm on my phone?
Probably, yeah.
I thought you said it right.
Wait, it doesn't sound as clear as SG's.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, mate. I'm still laying in bed because I've just been talking to you all there.
What's a pip? What is a pip, Nidge? You tell me, mate.
Rose bollock naked.
Nidge was in the
Yeah.
Nidge was in the Lil TJ vlog.
OGJ.
Lil TJ.
Janez, you took a dub on stream, right?
Yeah, still on that at the moment.
Oh, that's good.
Let's go.
What pair, Jenners?
Gold, innit?
Gold.
Oh, okay. What are you in?
My entries are at 2021.771. This was like 2 hours ago down, 3 hours ago.
Echo mode. Oh yeah, I need to sort it out, man. I'll have a look at the stream after this and try to sort it out. Oh, Nav. You know who the real Nav is? It's Nidge. He's the one that dressed up as Nav.
What do you mean?
When I dressed up as Central C, he's the one that dressed up as Nav.
When?
Well, I went to some party like a month ago or something.
Oh, right.
And then we had to dress up as celebrities and stuff. So I did Central C, and then
And he dressed up as Nav.
yeah, he dressed up as Nav. Yeah, he dressed up as Nav Forex. What's my percentage risk per trade? Let's just say on my funded it's 2%. I'll do 2 to 3% on a challenge account and 1% on a live account. NavX. NavFX, big fan. The real Nav.
Did he even wear the sweatband around his head? The Nav has.
Does Nav wear a sweatband around his head?
I think so, so he stops getting salty eyes when he's trading.
Oh, that Nav.
Yeah.
I'm getting confused with you with the Navs you're on about now.
Oh, no, the real one, obviously.
Yeah, not the rapper.
No, he's just make-believe.
Yeah. Where's that volume gone, man?
She's coming back. It's after it breaks that little low in the 1 minute. She's gonna go.
Someone said, what is this? I'm BEN down 2 pips. That means you got slipped a little bit, mate. It's alright. I'm not even entered in it yet. Should be entered in it in a bit. If it pushes any more down, I'll be entered.
I'm in. Just tap me in on my broker.
Alright, I'm entered now, chat. Alright, I'm deleting this sell stop thing because we're entered. And that is the position. We're going to be at this wick here.
What's that, 21.6 area or something? Oh, there, a bit sooner. You're...
Yeah, just where all the other wicks
yeah.
rejected. Yeah.
Yeah.
This is starting to come down. That previous hourly broken the highs, closing below.
Yeah, man. It's more chance for this to come down than to go up. That's why we're in it. Because it's a probability. Trading's all probability. Your trade is pushing. Come on. Come on.
Dun, 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 dun.
Dun, 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 dun. Got slipped to 1 pip. Bro, that's not that bad. That's not bad, bro.
Just execute it.
1 pip's fine. It's not gonna make or break your trade if you get slipped 1 pip.
Sometimes if I get slipped, I don't know if this sounds daft, but I still manage to trade off the exact level that I would manage it off of, even if I'd end up not break even, losing like 1 or 2 pips.
Yeah.
Because it was still valid to me at that exact level.
Yeah. Dun, 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 dun. We're up 4 pips. TP is going to be just the bottom of this range right here. This, like here, 2017.486. That's the full TP, but let's see.
All one.
1 pip profit, moving stop loss or break even. That's funny. Nav, you're rich, man. Call it a month. 1 pip. Right, time to Matrix. Yeah. Back to the Matrix, Nidge. Back to the emails.
Is this one of your mates then, yeah?
Yeah, I went uni with him.
Blimey, you got more than 1 friend, I didn't realise.
I mean, I've actually got a lot of friends, but I don't know how we managed to get 10 people to book a flight to Ibiza.
But you did. So there you are.
Maybe I mean that was the logistics. That I don't know how that worked. $12 people. Oh yeah, it wasn't even 10. That is fucked. How did you manage that?
Yeah, that's a fucking big group, eh?
Bro, I don't know how he made, because we've got this one guy in the group, yeah, like we all rely on him to just do the logistics, and then we all just like, yeah, alright, cool, we'll pay.
Buy him a beer or something for it.
Bro, how did you write on TradingView A-star setups? It's just a watermark indicator. It's just for a watermark.
Maybe you should have that over the middle of the screen.
No way.
I was thinking this earlier because I was
That's
thinking,
nonsense.
Like, our trades and the stories and things like that. Not that everyone does, but I do obviously. But people could just nick that right off, couldn't they? Like they have to Yankees and made a whole new account.
Yeah, I guess, but
What?
people are gonna nick it. People are gonna nick things regardless, you know.
Yeah.
Some fake Yanez tried to add me on Discord yesterday.
Did you not see the whole the other YouTube made that some crypto they put it
That's that is violating, honestly.
Mate, there must how many videos went together? There's loads, weren't there?
It's not there's heaps, bro. There's heaps of them.
Bro, what was it like? Why'd you say fuck me for? But you know what I deep like? What if like basically someone scams someone with your face and then that guy's like, I'm gonna fucking kill you, mate. You fucking scam me. I'm like, bro, it wasn't even me. You fucking idiot.
You're gonna be pretty stupid though, eh?
Yeah, you do gotta be a bit of a special kid, you know. What's my RR 1-to-1? It's not, my RR is not fixed. I have dynamic, so sometimes it'll be 1, sometimes it'll be like 0.5 to 1, sometimes 0.7, and sometimes actually 1-to-1. Depends, because I trail my stops as well. It all depends. What's your stop loss on this house? Bro, it's there, 2027.476. Above this 30-minute, the high of where all the liquidity is. So the previous 4-hour candle high. Because if you break that, then you're probably going to go completely the other direction. And it is what it is, you know. If we break that, it is what it is, bro. I'll call it a day if it hits stop loss. Is it still above the wick for slippage? Yeah, it's above the wick by like how many? Like 1.5 pips.
I couldn't imagine that happened before breaking all them other lows in weeks anyway.
Yeah, that's what I think. I believe that if we are gonna come up, we're gonna break these first, and we'll hit break even, at least. So, but especially because all that liquidity and that came up was all the way up here. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 3 times, 4 times with this candle. So we should have enough to come down at least to 2021 even, and then maybe if it wants to really go up, then it should go up after that. But we're good. Hurst, why did you not take wick entry this time? Because the way it was lining up, that 4-hour wasn't so heavily bearish, so I can't really take the wick entry on that one. If the 4-hour was heavy bearish, I would have taken that wick entry, but it wasn't heavy bearish.
Yeah, there's certain times when you can and can't take the wick entry.
Yeah, exactly. It's all situational based, isn't it? That's the thing with wick entries. That's why I wouldn't recommend anybody do wick entries if you're just beginning. You're going to get fucked up because you're going to think everything's a wick entry, innit? Yeah, actually you would. I would know I would. When I first started, I would think everything's a fucking wick entry.
Unless you're prepared to go through the stress of
yeah, unless you're prepared for that, and then that means you have to risk accordingly, and then if you just started, are you going to risk accordingly? It's all these questions.
I'd say that's how I did get better at wick entries, just by knowing that I was going to get a lot of madness ones until I discovered other little nuances.
Yeah, there's all these little things that the time frames have to align for wick entries very well. If they don't align, But the wick entry, it makes it a bit chalked because it can just blast through your thing. Hourly is heavy bearish though, yes, but we were closer to the 4-hour candle, so I'm going to use the 4-hour candle's position, right, which is not heavy. You can all go take wick entries if you want to. I'm only going to take what I take on stream, right? Well, now onion to come down, yeah, on the onion. Yeah, it's like a breakout onion thing, yeah.
What did you do on the weekend, Hush? Did you go to Winter Wonderland, or was it just some other fair thing?
It's an indoor Winter Wonderland. That's basically what it is.
Oh, it was at the XL, wasn't it?
Mm. At the XL, yeah.
That's the what area is that in? The XL?
Oh, I
The train
forgot.
station. Remind me.
I forgot. The DLR isn't all that,
Uh,
innit? Nidge. Oi, Nidge, you get free tickets to Winter Wonderland, man.
Went straight over the fence, round the back.
In the private section. Nah, but to be fair, you know, he gets basically some guy at his work or some shit works at Winter Wonderland, so he gets free tickets, and they get to like go to, like the tables that cost like I don't know how much, like 1,000 or some shit. They get them for free, and like whatever they want as well, food, drinks, this, that, they get it for free, which is pretty cool.
Tell him to get one reserved for the DVS mob.
Take one Don to Winter Wonderland. It'll be shot by then, isn't it?
I'm gonna win him a teddy bear.
Will it be shot by then? We need to. Let's actually go. Let's go Thorpe Park. Take him Thorpe Park. Come on.
I think we should, mate.
That would be. Imagine how jokes that would be. Like we all go Thorpe Park.
And it won't even be that cold.
Yeah, exactly. It will literally be fine, bro. That would be the best motive ever. That content as well that you can make from
and
that.
it's not far. It's
Yeah.
down the road.
Honestly, we can actually do that. We'll all just get like. We can even just all like.
Everyone can get there easily.
Yeah, or we all meet up, earlier, and then we all just get in a mini cab or some shit, you know, like fucking mini bus. That'd be. Oh mate, the content on that would be jokes.
That would.
And we'll take them to a football game as well. Oh mate, if it's in London, it has to be some like Arsenal game or something.
No, we got to take him around the London Eye, no? Got to do something like that. No?
The London Eye, yeah.
It's tourism.
Yeah, we'll take it just on a day out, just random, the most NPC stuff. The Natural History Museum.
Yeah, but that's actually fun.
It is actually fun.
It's actually not.
No, it's actually fun. I actually like that museum.
What's the other one that's free? Science one, ain't it, I think?
What? Oh yeah, the science one, yeah. But like all the space stuff. Take Don to a weather space.
That's that science one, isn't it? All that rocket stuff.
Yeah, that's the science one, yeah.
Yeah, that's like
The National History one is like the one with like the dinosaurs and stuff. Yeah.
Just made out of fucking plaster of Paris, probably.
Yeah, Dens. That's where the sell stop was, where the white line is. That's where my entry is. I'm entered in this position.
I said Camden as well.
Camden, Camden's lit.
Yeah, mate, taking down Camden.
You like Camden because it's like it's different, isn't it?
Take him to Cyberdog down the bottom floor.
You fucking love that place. You keep going on
I
about it.
know, because he jokes, mate, because I discovered it by accident. And I was like, what is this? And I walked down, and I come down the stairs in it, and I was like, Christ almighty. What's going on? Bradford. He won't come out.
Bradford, taking Bradford.
What, to go and buy a fucking stolen gold car?
Yeah, bro, he ain't coming out of Bradford, mate. Take him Luton. He will never come back to the UK again, bro. He will just. We've got to make it Give him a good experience. Yeah, take him to a football game. Now that's definitely one.
And the Thought Park or something.
And Thought Park,
Something
yeah.
like that would be,
Yeah.
Would be good, wouldn't
Nah,
it?
bro, let's actually do the Thought Park thing. You need to back me on that idea, Jack, because we can literally, yeah, we can meet we can all meet up one location, get a mini bus, or whatever, easy, innit? And then just get there and get back to the same location. That'll be lit.
Yeah, because if we know we was going to do it like that anyway, we would end up meeting the night before or something.
Exactly. It would be jokes. Ben said no good teams to watch in London though. I'm guessing you support Liverpool or something.
Bloody Northerner.
Liverpool. Am I activated? Yes, I wouldn't put this thing on the screen if I wasn't activated. I'm Scouse.
The thing on the screen. Bring your child.
I wouldn't put the thing on the screen, man.
Yeah, bring your over a little tiny bit so we can see it.
Ah. Splendid.
Absolutely splendid, sir.
What time will Wick stream? Probably the same time that Don would have streamed. Volume kind of died out, yeah, bro. But regardless, volume did kind of die out, but we're still, you know, we're still in London session, pre-New York, so
It will be back.
it should be alright, you know, it's alright. Even if it trickles down. We anticipated that because it flipping pushed like a crazy man. We thought it was going to do that on the way down as well, but it's alright.
Everything's gonna be alright.
Everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright. It's alright. What's TP? TP is 2017. It's at 486. Bruv, honestly.
Absolute creature.
Because I keep getting asked this. I get asked the same question like 11 times.
It's just the way you sounded. It sounded proper special.
I was yawning. Lanzini trades now. Well, when I went Marbella, fucking these guys kept calling me Lanzini.
Lanzini?
Yeah, he's a football player.
Oh, I thought it sounded like an Italian dish.
Nah. Godzilla came out. Mate, the price is making me yawn. Have you entered the trade, Huss? Yes, I have entered the trade, mate. Thank you, Captain. Thanks, Cap.
Oh my god, what is it doing?
Bro, what is this candle doing? I reckon because it's doing this, it's gonna just pop down and come back up probably.
Yeah.
So we need to be diligent on if it just pops down, I'm going straight, stop the break even.
It's been a bit more consolidating, ain't it? Getting people in. People are sitting there going, what to do?
Yeah.
And then all of a sudden...
Huss Mulli, is that your real name? Huss stands for, it's half, basically my real name's Hassam. So Huss is half of that. Like, everyone just calls me Huss at uni and school, at fucking everything. So that's what I did. And Mulli, that's not my real name. It's just means money. I'm not trying to put my whole government name.
Yeah, I didn't really think about that until it's too late, so...
Jack Cameron. What is this candle doing? Oh my... Whoa, okay, volumes come back in, guys. Everyone just lock it in because we might need to go stop the break even the moment this pops down or some shit, right? Because this is just going crazy right now. I thought you were Hussein. Nah, my name's Hassam. It's an Arabic name. Ooh.
Watch that, flashed up and down.
Yeah, bro. I actually got a little bit shook for a second. I was like, what? Did it hit stop?
Same, mate. Same. I thought, hold on. This ain't
I
good.
thought, hold on a second. Alright, chat. Stops the break even. We're up. Okay, you know what, chat? We're up 15 pips. I'm closing. I closed at 12 pips. My bad. Alright, you know, I'm just going to close. I don't like the way it's moving. I'm closed out my 80% of my position. Stops the break even. So, that's a dub. We got ourselves 12 pips right there. 12 pips out there. The way it moved, mate, that was just dodgy as well. So it was better us get out than in. And that puts us on 4 win streak on streams. See how we went emotional. We just stuck to it. And yeah, man. That's what it is. And that is me done for the day. So today, chat, you've been nice. You've had the Yanez's dub on stream. And then straight after, you've had my dub on stream. So you guys might as well call it a day.
36 pips.
Yeah, that's 36 pips within like how many hours? Like,
And if you were on Wix's stream, that's another two.
yeah, and then if you're on Wix, then you got another one. So yeah, good job, Nedge, man. W.
Yeah, chat's up 48 pips today.
Yeah, chaps up. If you watched all the DVS streamers today, chat, you're up 48 pips. Please, if you enjoyed that position, then please drop a like. Look how we closed out nicely, because what happens is usually when you shoot down that fast, you end up shooting up that fast as well. So that's why my experience on the chart tells me that is a good point to close. So that's why we closed there, and I closed out on my broker around 12 pips. So that is a dub for everyone. And yeah, so if you guys enjoyed that, drop a like. We got that after the 4-hour candle close. I'm going to just explain what my idea was behind this position. Was because obviously we grabbed liquidity all the way up here. Even the daily candle previous closed bearish. Even though we closed respecting here, it's still bearish. The 4-hour then also closed bearish. So that was a key indicator of what we needed to see. So now that closed bearish, we drove up first as well on the next one to grab liquidity. And then we were getting it on the re-break of the candle low with a little bit of like a 1 pip advantage point. And then, yeah, so that is the dub for today. After my live, I think Wix is going to be live, I believe. Is that right, Yanez? Today?
Yeah, Wix is going live tonight.
Yeah, so Wix should be live today. And potentially, yeah, you could catch something with him. But if you did catch your positions with me and Yanez today, and you got a nice dub, then, you know, there's no rush. You don't need to go and give that all back to the market, you know. Be more careful, call it a day, enjoy your rest of your day, come back tomorrow, and we'll be here again, the same thing. So that's what we are. We are up 4-0 on stream. That is a nice little, let me change that. That's a nice little thing, man. Yeah, man. It's a nice little 4-0. It doesn't mean that it's going to be 4-0 forever, because losses are just a part of the game, but, you know, that's what we're going to do. I'm going to journal this as well. When I take a... Yeah, Donna's not streaming. But, W, man. Let's just we can wait another like 5-10 minutes, and then I'll call it, to be honest. And then, yeah. Let me journal it. Let me pull out the... Where's my stream journal, man? What was it? It was just a break, innit? It was breakout. I don't put this time on stream. I need to change it to reason for trade, actually. It was a breakout. the date? 18/12/2023. Gold sells, setup type, breakouts, entry type. We broke all the current. It was a break of the re-break of the current low. 30-minute risk was full. I closed at 12 pips. So 12, so that's 4 now on stream. Dub. You lost 5k trading. You only have £500 left. What should I do? Whoa. It happens, bro. Don't try and win that money back. That's the main thing. What you should do is take your £500 out, put it in your bank. Now go take 2 or 3 days off and don't trade with no money. Just trade demo account. And then when you come back to it, start with £100. Why are you rushing to do 5k? And why did you try and trade with 5k when you are not profitable, right? So do it. Learn with £100 first, and then once you know how to do that, then you can slowly build it. Like, there's no rushing. There's no easy way to get to profitability in this game. Trust me. And that's what it is. I only have 30 rupees left to trade. Yeah. You know what, chat? Yeah, I'm gonna call it, bro. That's me done for the day. You got nice by me and Yanez. If you want to subscribe, if you're new here and you haven't checked out Yanez always streams before me. So he streams London session. So yeah, Cap, if you can drop his link in the chat. Yeah, and there we are, man. The boys got it. Now it's Warzone time.
Good stuff.
Yes.
I can follow the join people too.
Yeah.
Is that what we're up to?
Probably, man. Because what's the point? What's the point trading? You know.
I'm down.
Got a dub.
I'm going to stay in bed all day now after that.
Damn, Jack.
Yeah, you got the wick as well, innit? You might as well call it. If you called it, you might as well call it,
I love
definitely.
your honesty there.
Yeah, Warzone. Oh, Nid, yeah, I've been playing Warzone now, man. We should hop on it. It's actually fun. It's fun because I got the new PC, so it actually runs it.
Oh yeah, how was it?
Yeah, it's good, man. It runs because I've never had an actual PC like that's good. I had a laptop. I've had a gaming laptop before, but it's not the same. It just heats up. So the PC just changed everything, man. That's what I'm streaming on right now.
Yeah, fair.
What was the idea behind this trade, bro? If you look back, I've explained it like 3 times. So, yeah, if you just look back on the stream, you should be able to see what my explanation is. Because this stream, once I end it, it'll still be up, so you can go and re-look at it, right? Yeah, Peter, man, W. Let me know if you want me to carry it. To be fair, you are a bit of a sweat. Let me make a little... video for Instagram. Quick. Alright, chat. Spam W's for me, please, while I make this video. Alright, we're 4-0 now on streams. We just secured a nice 12 pips after Yanez also securing some pips. So DVS people have got nice today. And yeah, good start to the week. W's. And that's it. Jack, Yanez, I'll catch you in a bit. I'll literally come on in a bit. And then
Right,
Take it easy.
yeah, what, you going on Warzone in a bit?
yeah, I'll come on. I just got some stuff to do and then I'll come on. To be honest.
No worries, man. See you in a bit.
Cool.
Peace. Later.
Later.
Aaron, thank you for the stream.
Alright, Cap. Thanks for coming.
Hi, driver.
Bye, driver. Yeah, chat. Look how patient we were. Even when it was playing around, gold was dancing a bit. Like that's what it is. You shouldn't be emotional. We knew the probability of every trade that we enter, and that's just what it is, right? I appreciate you all for coming through. If you're new here, then subscribe to the channel. I try to stream every day. I upload value for free. I don't even sell anything right now. I'm literally just doing this for free because I enjoy doing it, and I feel like I was someone that learned from, you know, being in your position. So that's why I feel like I can connect with you guys more, because I actually came up the exact same way as a lot of you are going to come up. I appreciate you, Floor. Huss is so calm. I love his confidence. Yeah, and the confidence came from me making mistakes. I was never calm. Like, I was a very emotional person when it came to trading, but I just developed it, right? And so that if I can do it, you all genuinely can do it. And that's just what we do, right? So let's not get emotional with this dub again. I don't want everyone to get emotional. Yeah, like I'm cool, I'm so good. Just listen, it is a part of it. Thank God. That's all it is. You know, we will come again tomorrow. The same thing. It's not, this trade didn't make me rich. This trade didn't make me broke. It's just a part of the stepping stones to get to the levels where we want to get in life. And that is it. That is what trading is. That's nothing more. We're not slave to the charts. You know, we control when we're taking positions and when we're not. And that's just why we wait for things and we're so patient. Appreciate you, Sham, my boy. DJ Huss time. Yep, George, you know. It's DJ Huss time. Alright. Appreciate you, chat. And we'll catch you tomorrow. Yeah, we're back streaming tomorrow. Nice. Let's go DJ time. What song we pulling up? Let's put some Lil Durk here. I like this song. I realize. Hey gang, I'll catch you in New York session. Peace. I won't be trading, but because I'm done for the day, but you know, I might still pop in. Whoever's streaming, probably Wix. So safe. W.